everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Danske Bank online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in danskebank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page. To log in and access your online banking account, click on the log on button at the top right hand corner, which will open up a pop-up menu. Select your location from the personal e-banking option and then it'll now take you to the login area on a new page. Go and type in your user ID in the user ID text box and then click on the continue button. If you've lost your user ID or if you simply don't remember it at all, click on the lost user ID link and follow the instructions till the end. After clicking on the continue button, it'll ask you to enter your password on the next page. Go ahead and type in your correct password that you created while signing up for an online banking account and you should be able to get access to your account right away. That is how you can easily log in and access your Danske Bank online banking account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.